Today, we'll keep on reviewing the best budget coffee makers to make yourself and your wallet happy. This show's contestant, straight from Japan, the Hario V60. Let's dive in. The first time I tried this method was in a specialty coffee shop in my home country, Colombia, where they recommended it to me as the way to enjoy their best beans. The result was a clean, balanced and flavorful coffee that blew my mind. But the V60 isn't just a one-trick pony. By tweaking out factors like grind size, water temperature and pouring technique, you can bring out the best in every brew, making it one of the most versatile choices for coffee lovers who enjoy experimenting with different roasts and blends. With this coffee maker, you are in control of the brewing process. You are the captain. And let's not forget about the V60's amazing design. It was love at first sight. With spiral ribs that allowed for better water flow and distribution, and an angled filter holder that prevents clogging, ensuring consistent brewing, this coffee maker is a total game changer. And the best part? It's so easy to use and clean up. No complicated setups or fancy equipment required. Now we're gonna check the brewing process, but be sure to stick with me till the end of the video where I'll show you a special twist. To brew coffee with the V60, the first step is to choose the right filter. It uses cone-shaped filters that come in various materials such as paper, metal, and cloth. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages, but the paper filters are the most widely used due to their ease of use and affordability at around 6 cents per filter. If you want to know the perfect recipe for the V60 designed just for you, click the link on the description and receive a customized recommendation from me. First, the coffee grounds need to be prepared. The ideal grind size depends on the brewing variables used, but in general, a medium grind is recommended for the V60. The grounds should be weighted out to ensure consistency and accuracy with a coffee to water ratio of 1 to 16. So we're going to use 18 grams of coffee grounds and 300 ml of water. That's a little more than a coffee mug. Did you know that the V60 has even won a number of design awards, including the Good Design Award in Japan and the IF Design Award in Germany, that are two of the most important design awards in the world? Now you know it. Back to brewing. Now let's place the filter over the V60 and drop our grounds in. It's time to start brewing. The water temperature should be around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. To get to this point, get your kettle to boiling point. Then turn off the heat and wait around 30 seconds before using it. The water should be poured slowly and steadily over the coffee grounds in a circular motion. This helps to ensure even saturation and extraction, and the entire brewing process should take around 2 minutes. Not only the V60 is easy to use, the cleanup is a breeze too. When you're done brewing, just toss the filter and you're good to go. The filter holder and the carafe can be rinsed with hot water and soap, as easy as it gets. Now it's time for the twist. The V60 is so versatile that you can use it to cool off those hot days with ice filtered coffee. Here it goes. Add the same amount of coffee grounds you were using before, but only add half of the hot water, and let it pour over some ice in the carafe. After the brew is finished, serve in a glass full of ice and enjoy. This coffee maker is a must-have if you enjoy experimenting with many beans, including light roasts and medium roasts, and with many sub-varieties such as bourbon, geisha or java, giving you an exceptional balance between flavor and aroma. My favorite feature of the V60, other than the wonderful coffee it produces, is that you can put the filter holder right on top of your favorite coffee mug and brew straight to it, leaving less mess and saving you tons of time in your morning routine. However, keep in mind that the V60 can be fragile, especially if you get the ceramic variant, so be careful with it. Also, the learning curve to get your ideal cup of coffee may be steep. So remember to click the link on the description to make this learning process easier and faster. If you want to keep on learning about the best budget-friendly coffee makers, be sure to check out this playlist. See you next time!